in just a moment, I'm going to show you how I take these cases and remove them from the bench top and into the container without losing them onto the floor and under the bench. So for this video, I'm going to show you something that I do with this inline rail wall mount system that helps me from losing my cases onto the floor. So first off, let me tell you the primary purpose of this rail mount system by Inline Fabrication. This rail mount system is designed to where you secure it onto your wall, or as you see around the outer inch of your bench like this. And then there's a different attachment that Inline Fabrication makes. I'll put a link in the description box below. You can go check it out. But those attachments that you can place onto the rail and remove from the rail as you need, they help you to store your equipment, your dies, firearm cleaning supplies. They've got a ton of things that you can use with this rail. And the bottom line is it helps you to keep your bench organized, okay? So this particular rail, it is 48 inches in length. With it solid mounted like this, I can take these docking stations, as many of them as I can fit on here, and as space will allow, and I can place my equipment. So this is my reloading presses. I can put my swaging tools, my case trimming tools, my vise. I can put it all on here. And for 1 year, I had 4 reloading presses mounted onto this rail. It never showed signs of fatigue. So it's a solid rail system. So this is another use I found. I have another one of these on that end of the bench. So whichever side I find that I'm processing my brass based on where other projects are, here we have this brass. This brass is ready to go into the 5-gallon bucket. So here I have this rail. I take my baking sheet. I'm going to catch it into the notch like that. There we go. So now that brass is ready to go right into the 5-gallon bucket. I didn't lose any onto the floor, and gotta watch those 380 cases. This lot of brass, it was given to me, and it's once fired, but some of it has been universal decaps. The guy just doesn't have time to reload, didn't want to pursue it anymore. He blessed me with these, so what am I doing? I'm pulling the 380s from the 9mm, and man, this is awesome. So I find with, for me, man, when I'm processing brass, I just want to go, 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 go. And I don't want to lose stuff on the floor. I don't like to pick it up. It's a waste of my time. So if I can just catch it with this, way to go, okay? So there we go, okay? Guys and gals, that's the end of this video. God bless. We'll see you on the next.